Hi, I'm Luigi Eblamo, and we will discuss Gauss elimination method using C programming together with my partner, Kevin Sarmiento. We are mechanical engineering students. So, let us start. As we see, we have number sign include stdio.h that tells the compiler to include this header file for compilation such as conio.h and math.h. The number sign define directive allows the definition of macros within your source code. These macros definitions allow constant values to be declared for the use throughout your code. The void here is a mistake that is ignored by the C language, and it means usually return 0. The exit code of the program communicates the success, 0, or failure, non-zero of the program ran. This can be ignored if you don't want to use your program in batch scripts, but becomes more important if you need to use it in scripts. As we can see here, is an arranged system. These help designate them the following subs of each basic Gauss solving system. We use sysoflin.dat, which is a local folder that helps us to our pointer and as writable on the current directory of the program. First, we input the number of the equation, then it will state on the console how many. Second, we input that it will enter the coefficient of the equation. If how many will you enter the number of equation. Then you will type each coefficient as many times the number equation it is. Third is, select the method to be used. We now use looping like while, for, nested loops. We often use the fprintf statement to show the user information stored in our variables. To place a number into the string of printed characters, we use several formatting options. But they will start with a % sign. Each note that when used in this way, the % is not the comment character. We use switch statement to separate each Gauss solving equation. Basic Gauss elimination in pivoting, Gauss-Jacobi, Gauss-Seidel, and default to tell you to enter the proper value. Next is the void arrange system, which tell you the size of each arrays. We use arrays, a set of nested for loops. So, the next explanation will be done by my friend Franz.
Hi, I'm Kevin M. Sarmiento, and I will explain the next part. As my friend Louis has discussed the upper part of this program, and I'm the next one to explain it until the end. From the file *fp, now we will use our pointer to determine the equation of each Gauss. In solving the basic Gauss elimination in pivoting, Gauss-Jacobi, Gauss-Seidel, as you can see, we use float to determine the decimals of its answers, and the other numbers we use decimals. We use nested loops in these lines to put the equation and the sequence of how solving it. If you want to know how to solve it manually, please click the link below. How to solve it. We are here to show how the program works in solving each Gauss. In each line, we use increments so the variable will increase. In each Gauss, it has a range system that refers above declaration. The arrange system you can see in this line is the subs or extensions from the declaration above. This determines the solution flow on each Gauss. In the lower part is finding the solution of given system. If you enter Gauss elimination and it has error, you will read this do while loop and start over again. The output states to enter number of equation. After the number of equation, you must enter the coefficient of equation. You'll enter each coefficient depending on its number equation. Next, you'll choose what Gauss method you'll choose. Number 1, basic Gauss elimination. Number 2, Gauss elimination with pivoting. Number 3, Gauss-Jacobi method. Number 4, Gauss-Seidel method. And number 5, quit. Note, we add quit. So if you don't want to continue or solve it through C programming, you can definitely quit. After choosing a Gauss method, the answer only will show up to you on the console. Tada! And you're done, mate. Hope this program may help you.